Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome to a quick crafts video with me. This will be the first one that I've done. If you have any requests, suggestions for any others, please let me know. I'll be delighted to share with you my passion and the joy that these stamps and products give me. So I'm going to be creating a little tag for you. I have done this similarly in the past. It's on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to show you a super quick version of it. I'm using one of the new tags from Lavinia. This is a watercolor card, and it's one of the smaller tags. And we've got the gorgeous rue hanging down with twisted vine coming up and the new leaf creeper stamp coming down from the top. We are going to create this in a very short space of time using the new Elements ink pads. So I've got blue atoll here, I've got emperor red, and I've got green sleeves. So emperor red, green sleeves, and blue atoll. So first of all, I'm going to take green sleeves. Oh, that was me showing you that we're also using a circle mask. Green sleeves with my smoothie. Now you're going to apply this ink really quickly down the center of the card, just like that. And because they're such a rich color, these ink pads, it happens really quickly. So you can see I'm just moving this in a circular motion. Look at that. Applied, done. I'm going to then come in with blue atoll. And I'm going to bring it up from the bottom. Circular motion, just to the top. Then I'm going to go back in with my green sleeves and just blend over the line that those two. Look at that. If you wanted a bit more blue, create a bit more blue. But how easy and smooth was that blend? Then I'm going to come in with red, emperor red this is. It's really hard to get a really red ink pad, but I think this is beautiful. Look at that. And I'm just going to bring it down almost to the edge of the green sleeves colour. And then I'm going to go back in with my green sleeves and over the top, just like I did at the bottom. Till you get a really nice blended join there. Voila, how quick. Pop these away. Clean up my mat. Then I'm going to create some lovely interest in the background by just creating here a puddle of water. And it bleaches the colour out of the ink and giving you a lovely speckled background. Look at that. How effective is that? Really quickly and really easily. I did this at the open day a couple of weeks ago at Halliganza, and it was so popular that I decided I'd quickly show you how to do it. I'm just going to dry it off, and then I'm going to stamp her, and then I'm going to stamp some of the twisted vine set coming up from the bottom. I'm going to use Nocturne for that, and I've got Green Oasis for the twisted vine. I am using my stamping platform here because I'm just not sure that I dried that off properly, and I wouldn't want her to not come out beautifully and crisp. Just getting hold of my Green Oasis there. There it is, beautiful. So, green oasis for Twisted Vine, and you're just going to bring it up from the bottom. Different heights are going to give us that interest. Just like that. Let me do a bit more there. Okay, and then coming down from the top, we've got Nocturne with the Leaf Creeper. That's the larger one we're going to be using. Spanish Moss would also look beautiful here because that's what she's got on the Twisted Vine that she's playing with. But I also love this one. Different heights again. Just gives us that interest. Doesn't look too contrived. Voila. And then taking our little, let me clean this off. Taking our little, the middle-sized circle mask, I'm just going to create a bit of a glow around her. Tiny flicks from the center of the acetate off. You really don't want this too dark or too pronounced, because a bit more. They're easy to reposition. There you have it. Look at that, how quick was that? And the background now looks seamless in colour. So I'd love to see if you have a go. Thanks for watching. Bye.